put a barn door up for the bathroom, and I've got that painted on one side. I need to paint the other side still. I have almost everything caulked in here. I still have up at the ceiling to do along that ridge trim, but everything else has been caulked and filled and just taken forever. This bathroom is finished, except at the last minute I decided to go ahead and cut out a section of PEX line so that it wasn't sticking out so far. Well, now I can't get the push fittings on tight, and I'm going to need my husband to come out and help me do that, because I have tried for 2 days and just got frustrated. Everything else is finished in this bathroom. Took an old wooden door and extended it and sanded it, painted it, and yeah, it turned out quite nice. I'm just simply running a 3-inch pipe, not running a 4-inch. Okay, I wanted to show you, I worked yesterday framing out this window and the night before. In between storms, haven't been able to get out here and film too much. Storms have been crazy and I didn't have my camera with me, but I did get that framed in and trimmed out and all cased. Those windows were replaced last year, but the inside never got done. Anyway, this window has not been replaced. It's not going to be replaced right away. I just got to get out there and scrape the outside of the windows because they have paint all over on them. I've been over here working on the baseboards as well. They're all finished. I'm just have one, I think, seam there and in the corner to caulk on it. this will probably be the last day of this video of this cabin, maybe. We will be doing some work on the outside, but that'll be another series, I think. Anyway, we just finished up every bit of the little projects. We're getting ready to move a desk out here for this corner and hang some bifold doors there to help block off the bed. Of course, we still have to clear stuff out, but we're working on that. This is a power strip.
And it holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12
different outlets through Amazon. It mounts to the wall.
And there's space, so if you have
like, it is also a surge protector. And I mean, they're really good price. I mean, it's like $30 or something for all of that. And since we only have a couple of outlets in here, it's perfect to plug into that floor outlet or that one wall outlet on this wall. And it's going to go just above the desk so she can put her computer and all her other stuff on there. And then she does have an outlet on this side, I believe. Is there only one or two?
Two. But they're both.
Yes.
Oh, but
There's one underneath there? I don't think there is.
No, there's none. No.
Okay, so since she only has this one over here,
But it has.
and then one behind the TV. But we'll be using that for the television. So anyway, I have my granddaughter, you can't see it, granddaughter painting the mirrors that are going to get hung up. And I was just cleaning up the kitchen and cleaning up the bathroom. And then it's a matter of moving in furniture and decorating. When it's entirely finished and decorated, we'll show you what it looks like. So if you haven't liked and subscribed to the video, to the channel, and left your comments about the cabin makeover, please do so. It really helps out the channel and the algorithm, because you know, this algorithm stuff really kind of isn't very fun sometimes anyway. But yeah, we're done. We're done. I'm so thankful. Oh, we have to hang a curtain on the door, but we're done. So, what do you have anything to say, Mikey?
I finally can have my room back.
He finally gets his room back. Well, thanks again for taking the time out to watch the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so we've got her desk moved in and television mounted, light mounted. That's the bathroom. We've got towels to, she's got a shower. It's got lights up there as well. And then she's got the kitchen. Getting ready to hang a clock up there. Got a little table. So she's all set. We just have to get her a sofa. I'm going to put some bifold doors there as a room divider for the living room, right by her bed, and then she can open and close that during the day.